I need to share this video. I'm coming, guys. Let me share first so that Monica, actually, see, I just dey eat finish. So you see, so I worry like for na me I must eat. Na power person the Chris. I open my WhatsApp, see what I see.
Una say Asaboro, did she mention my name? Because they say she writes, say, we are wayak boy, jagbe, waiting you want more entaso. I bet you know whether I get, you know, say Asaboro gets so many jagbe. I bet you know, yeah, wait, talk, saying get sister in law, mama, and no, ya marry. I bet you know, yeah, wait, talk, say, I know whosoever the friend, and wait, be say, I don't know the person.
Monica Gunu, just shut up. Shut up, get where I'm with. Actually, I'm going to shut up. What if you got me away? What shut up? Why you be vague balloon when we are now? What pay you are putting one? What Gunu down? Unwany gwe, get where I'm with. Get where I'm with, no, ya wujo wa. Even no guac when you do what go, belay your own, eh? I shagwag my shagwag. Shut up that your dirty matter get inside without your stupid useless pride. Shut up. Shut up. I wabe you are waboom one waboom. I wear. That when I want to have only the Emma with tag Yazua. I will not ask you if you are sick. You are sick. Asaboro French and so what? Your ex-boyfriend not them Manchester. Your ex-boyfriend not them Manchester. Oh, this very not them. Oh, no, they whole about what the area island here. Oh, no way. Come on, get inside, my friend. Get inside. You get where I'm moving. Oh, yeah. You got your hand in the way. What can wait? What can I can wear? Atwari. And that is what I be where I wear atwari agbo. Una yo power gagiri agbo we. Look at your life. Look at. They know who are on Facebook. Why can't you come out and tell them? Tell them. Why me on the WhatsApp we know who we? Ultimate on Arian we. What's the Ruhana tie? For how long are you going to deceive your people? For how long are you going to deceive? Atwari manewe. Ima agwa le big bua. Me guy bue. Why I want me? If I call away book away as you claim me, so be it. It don't ever. Oh, my Mary, it may do ever. What it do me? What it do me? But me, my career book away. But if you say so, so be it. Oh, boom, well, anyone dealing with the web, did deal with the web. And so what? And so what? Actually, Uma cannot anywhere. Actually, I'm coming for you tomorrow. Need that man in the one way. Did my problem away. Oh wait, he can't say no boyfriend. Yes, I am dating Infinity Saga. Yes, you know him. Why am I here? Ah, wabe you are wabun we wabun. Oh my God, him. What J marriage no gi? Oh kwagano. Udan. O keria. We are buzok benita. Ashawo. Nekwemu. Oh, mama, worry, mamu. How dare you? How dare you? So no anyway. Why any this? No, dislike is another thing. Yet he wear with passion. Ah, wabe you are wabunwa. We are no mama. No man no je. O career. Evans ya yasun. Ya zio boy a woli ye ke latin. Ashawo. Agbereko. Ona lonely. Fona funny. Barriate. Yes. I dated Charlie Brown. Yes, I left there. Now I want put na bon put for them because why? They are useless. Maybe money where they spend put for there, they don't want me to lose. But for me to born for man where not they stand up for inside bed, they go work. I won't do it. I won't do it. You think I'm not wise? I am so wise. I am wiser than you. You can't my last fight in a more home. Ne mama Nelly Black, you do respect able mommy. And that's okay. We have to free all of them. Yes. We have to free all of them. He loves you naturally, like, forget all those formalities where they do for them. You know, God beg, you're going to have mercy. Because he loves you for real life. Like, really. He too love you. He too go love you. Now problem for them, for their camp, for them. Now problem for them, for their camp. He love you. That's why Mama Rita talking for your mother say, I don't fake account to him. Whatever, he maga alek bebe. He na alek bebe wowa. He na okwore. But thank God, we passed the alek beravane. This idiot one call took her for my mouth. They all me turn crier. Before my husband look me, tell me say I be turn crier. Not be shorty, you see. You the Chris, Mama Nelly, with all due respect, now we're free, ne? Or I'm going free or going because I think what back by. I am more let me beg Mama Nelly, see me for me time. I beg. Now beg me they beg. Una go free all of them finish. I beg. Help me free Finity Saga. I beg. La beg I did. Wa free me. Oh ma give me when or your ma ve ne gbe okwe no settle. La wo in ya je. Azua. He can't say his sister-in-law. Do you not know my sister-in-law before? Do you not know my sister-in-law? He love you for real life. Or one la wa can't in it's a different person entirely. Why girl can't in? Or one la when you will see a different human being. Very lovely soul. Mommy, I beg, let me free Baba. Oh, Ije no gay. Mi osiba. La wo je. La. I see your comment when you talk say I enter house. Mommy, I no enter house because I wish me no enter house. You on for no set. Peace for no day. And no matter how I go take talk her, nobody go believe me. Nobody. If voice large pass I go with a lie. Oh, okay. Wazua. Asaboro go and marry. Will I marry somebody like your husband? Where use passport, take do raise latte, smoke Morocco. Oh, there no ye passport ya we raise la na see Morocco na see destiny passport in it. He abused Holland passport. After from where abused Holland passport. Ona ya see Morocco na we raise la na see Morocco. I to I if I see man has been bed we pony. New automatic surgery. Unwe ga me. Uma drill e ko we han woni san. Ah work by. How we? The reason why we kept quiet till this long is because of these people that we are at your back, because they are your strength. If you he can betray me for Monica. He can betray me. He can betray me for Monica. Then you want me to be happy. When you they lie, me like kill you, Monica. No, okay, that day. If you like to see my toto for her side, no problem. That day when you do video, where Father General come. Father General, what you talk? Hey, see, somebody help me fear. See the reason why I said no, una see, you talk and finish. You talk and finish. You talk and finish. Now this one make me talk out. Now make you talk and say make you no marry Asaboro. Because Asaboro na tan cry. You know what in any kapuwa. Yes, I be tan cry. I dey cry positively. I dey talk truth. Free infinity. Free her for me. He don't reach to marry. Yes, I love him. If you like me, you will still go use and write nonsense. Make it right. Because once you enter that account, forget it's a different person. Never. He was never sent to monitor you. Enoge. I will not lie. He was never sent on a mission. He came wholeheartedly. He loved you like a normal human being. But once he entered the account, if he cut your ear, join your head. Cut your ear, go put on for your leg. Now that account, NSAJ, Mama Nelly, La Wo, Bumeri, Ofofone. Yes, I was only angry at your mommy because what she did, I don't like it. You understand? That was why I voiced out. Any small thing, when she knew fully well this woman is a traitor, Monica is a traitor, because of her evil conspiracy. She wants the secret to die with daughter. Yes, she wants the secret to die with him. She conspired. Anywhere Monica is trying to spoil my name, wanting to remind daughter, one ringy head, he want bust down my head. Asaboro this, Asaboro that, Asaboro go, Asaboro go there. It was my life and it's my path. Yes. Me not be like you. We go the husband as they do ye. They do open and close. Never. I know they even friend boyfriend. They do. I know they friend two boys. Go ask. They crazy. Your ex-boyfriend not the match. What is sell a picture of that man? If not be saying at UK with day. Need a picture of ex-boyfriend the way yeah Facebook. It's not the Manchester. You know the Manchester. Now let me friend Charlie, bro. Now they want born for now, they born for me, not they born for Obewe. Me not they born for my one feed. It has ever been my fervent prayer. I see him, I just see he post. Not be 40. Oh, Mama beg forgive her. Anything where you just say and say they post, don't leave him. He's stressed out. He's stressed up. He's just wandering around. I must tell you the facts. Please tamper justice with mercy. We are Bijewa. What can he do? He love you, you know it. He love that one, you know it. But who he want first? The two of you. He got to even men over it. He go consaga me saying no send me, no know me before. No problem. No problem. She do something. She said me marry pikin. Elia will say, "Omona biere webo. Wari omono ma egba 18 years in your bar because of your greed." Where you guys low. You know, you go out Italo say well, you know, I they talk truth. You got no problem with me, Mama Nelly got money, abi? Cause me Mama Nelly no can't be. My people will not understand. Cause I'm a new woman, I have to see women. Where? Una sunu je ni me makotana. Igu egwa. Guilty conscience or boo. Guilty conscience or what's all sorting for two or boom. Where? Monica, where to area where? Uma be can anyway get to area gbo. Una to area ba ne fe gege. Una silly yoba. Una silava daze. When I talk cry arema. He married. He might get a for what he sent the gun because he got lecture boy breakfast. Or a valley at the he French and he can't first come I will broke off from New York. Dick as a book and so what? A bag more who when that is the question. Are you okay? Check your life. Are you okay? Oh, you know what Bamo say? Wait. Here, the motor cash motor no death 59,000. We pay 30,000, 20,000 be 29,000. Nike or day above ya. Oh, Osa bo. Oh, you know what Bamo say? You know where the comment section where a bet maki where wo. Yeah, oh, come here no so no that way. Kamia uzeya kufwa nene sister ilome kamia wukwero ruwa hugwa gwi ezola gwagbe tamia ebet na kiwe tame no ba won wu mawe tie tamia wukwe wa hiro o ma travel okay gwe o ma travel wajo bet na ki ure ma oge me wajo kamia o ma travel la fe kaka to we no so alagbon iyan no na ye ko gwa ri o ise. Oh, we like uninya. Are you sick? It don't even 100,000 naira. Yeah. Jenana. Oh, you better be careful. Let me be the last person you will deal with this period. Because if you don't, you have been dealing with me for years. I kept mute because you know what? I knew where I was going to. You know, they haven't picked it now. I knew where I was going to. People thought I was weak. People thought I was foolish. No, I resisted your bullies. Directly and indirectly. I went inside for peace to reign. Go back to the mame black body no ya gbugbe no man egbe na egbe me ngota ku okpeze ni atwa no ye dokpolo love it no ye money carry over amajala no ye passport ya si Morocco do that for my passport is in Morocco we have a gwimegwan deti me bie kudos to those people that need dera or wanagbon wakin Ana mi no wane passport no biye. Do fe na ya gwana. Kakaka yo. Do da fun we me yi pale si Morocco. What is she any money ye me? You know what? Oma adira sef. Ayeberi ne. Ayeberi passport no we. Beto we. Ona yebe ebe Holland passport, orange passport. Ona ya si Morocco u. Egbodo we me ya. Iwa diagbonja no ma bie jane we. Because he ti bia no ru eva. Ije ma bie eva. Ise tin wala. Iye we edena wu ama eda mo wagbon. E mani ke ya bere o wan. Period. Me no me wu den wa ma ya gwa lo wu. Tu ari agbon no bie dupolo. Na ye Monica. Love it. Den nu ma ya gwa la Asaboro wu. Uize wa uwu pona. Uga ize u do sigo koko ya mu ebo gbo yan le ko hotel yo ba. Eni meje ọmọ no we bonore wi to mi awe me awe emi me ma we bonore wo me to e bonoro e do ni apologbu obi esisi ya ka e bonoro e do ni e apologbu ohun we amo Yoruba ni me mo we wo me nu gi agure nu gi agere go ade wo nuro damo Yoruba ya ria ya mo Yoruba ukate muwa wa mahia hello wa mate here wa ye anta we dagbonji no wa de imiji me ije me na de imiji me be we ai to ari agbega ye ihe ni ewu we o e by mistake o e wa time o iga wa won ye iga wa won ye bwede kai se buwe ibwede nyon pa eleso e elulu mi ati e wo wuje ni e atwari ya mezo la ko on na egun on no gi egbe be careful there we gba wo pa ohun inana ro eva what a failed unprofessional contractor greed what a kun ya begbe no really talk yan se nu dan ogun ko so egbe maton it's not going to work like that agado bo mi e bono we mi ya ari ni we ni na o de gbo ene umi amiane a more reputable people of value money je school money rinya ije ya ki ona this hin singo ya muje school we no mama net gbedo po loju to e aye ri gi o wana e o we not take all the glory nu yogo awe uga yo no do have be ma wo you are a devil we better sa sewe o sa sewe do fia were ranu ye na me yumunu to ya fia were magba we ne e kega dene okin obi bieka we de because you don't deserve respect awa gbo unhu awa gbo e awe nuke solo me atika ogban no ene nko sara ihwa wa dineke ori do ba wa ihamu wa emeso ne me busy gbe we penalty dey wa hu Asaboro do it. Asaboro do that. Uheve mude. Was the beware it one where you let? Because this whole thing was not just done one day. More than 100 years. Not terrorizing Edo community. Edo cyberspace. A space in the she want to overshadow everybody. It doesn't work that way. Even the youngs are growing. And they are growing very fast. I pity those ones that don't really know you. Yes. Kudos to Mama Nora. No ana ma you know that gun egbe o te ono we no gie eye no ra mami uhun ijo ni we ro ni na ga so ni hia lebe ha something yes the same thing o ya so me gbe no se me ke don venu vie apology ni ga re ve dere o se e mi no si e na no ma bia gbon mu ni oh madam she's not the good wife she know ona ya mu classic gloria well classic gloria kun mama kun doctor kunita ya mugi ona ya mu classic gloria infinity saga ona we no mu oni na so agbin aru wa no ma gbo na ga gbe Oni no ro ibu oni de no we va de no de. Ibu Eddie go le 280 pound. Ibu oni de screenshot already nyek me ya. Report no ya gbe ma no ma pe guy no see eso. Ibu oni de. Ibu Eddie. Wata. One of money go ni I take gbina. O se gbe ni gbu e. Me a le take gbina. Tete unwa. When wa sele wa lu wa odo. Because e kan na ti wa. Akwe na ti o ma ba. E unu na ya tu enu. Ai kwe na ya so ni o ma le. Akwe. O ha ma mwe. We na eri me ye na itagania. We na so mu ye ni me. O ma escape o ma eri mama na di vio bonu eri I forgive Mama Lely. Mama Lely was really good. A lot is to be revealed. Mona no rush us, I beg. Mona no rush us. Anytime we take bring out on our table. Mona, if Mama Nelly they write, me go they do the math. If Mama Nelly they write, me, Asaboro, I go they do the talking. You know when I don't understand for a baby grammar, I go they drop her for ye. How where? Why lewanike? Mama Felicia gave me a comment section. Oh, now get I have it. Mama was saying what way like Moberry. It was pure. You don't allow people to have their freedom. Ezore. On a guayo. Hey, where mommy? They have to bow before you and talk. No wear towels or gun. No that no gunta service be matter. Hey no. People are wiser than you think. We no man finish up my decision now. But don't follow auto. Hello notaries. We buy or we do not buy. Eh, or rag boy. 2.5 bedroom. Eh, or rag boy. Oh, rag boy. You are jealous of me? Yes, because we buy. Oh, no gay. Oh, God. Il y a que moi, il y a un téléphone, là, au bébé. Oh, il est ok, il fait. Get to Ariag Moe, ou ça est. Gatwa, nye la, denga, pa nya. Mais non, on jenya, nous, no mamma, no, we no nya danya. Ta fungwe gili, ogele na yobo. Ta, do wo ro toru. Do wo be awo ho. Ta. Le passport order fún. Do ma ya si Morocco, ma ya we raise la si Morocco. Iga jala. No ga ke video me vi ogwe. Cause wu gene, beta jala phone o gene. Jala iga juane. Me a le gbe. Jala bo kun gbe fe go ni so gberu wa o. Na muria. Ododan. Odon egbe he no ku. Gewe, eri waje. E ma ni class Morocco ya respiration. U ga si no ga gbe business, ko ga gbe poti gbe na ba. Uga risie mo kone, uga gwe poti gbina, ebisi. Uso wajala, ebisi, umami ebisi wa. Wa ma no ye no si umere bi. Iga izegwe. Ina ye ma uwe, ima we no. Won pe no ke golo won aya fo, no aya gwe, e she ma disgrace we. Ti eve la wo. Atwari, ti eme gun edo we ma gbon fo. Ti eme o. Atwari, ti eme ma zuwa. What we friend Charlie bro? No babo. Okay. Wawe uyare, what an insatiable human being. Very unsatisfied. Very unsatisfied element. I hate you. You know, it cannot take me at who bedding who be. No me think we at me. I will stand and finish the berry I keep. Umeho, obi okan gbon ogun awodo. Ora iladan do atore. O iladan do atore. Why go forgive him maneli? Why me we WhatsApp we? Eta mu we gu e leku emu asawo. Abi we wa mu gu e mama neli itore. I want to leave Facebook where? Why leave a Facebook here? According to one commenter, he said you go nowhere. You go nowhere until the last fight. That shame and disgrace where they roam around, so he must fall out. Oni, that's fun. What do you more coffee? I got Manika, I go la gawa, Manika. No, mia, abuse or tafu. Oh, we are not saying Morocco 50 pounds every day. I want to go anything. I want to go anything. Why are ne classic Gloria? The Tito. Oh, you know, I want to tell. Ona ga robi no ma robi, ona ga gbe no ma gbe bani kia. Bani promise ye kia na ve. Jala si e mo ko ne. E ko na wa se ba ko wa me ke mo bo wa gbe un galo wa pe ni e depo re wa ni. O ga isiene. O depoti backishin. Manika. Kishi ne so na fe gbe do pa mu ja ko pa. Pa kala da pa ke lawe. Manika ga go ona buse mi yo akara. No. Oh, God. Monica, who are we? Yes. You see anything for anybody? They me buonite. Ni do tuwe because all one wa mumi. Una assume no be e ba ne kia. When I assume you we ma so galo mu bia. When I assume you bia. Yeah, is a deal to wa here. Then I boginji se social media. Una won kokokpo. No one. And then I will feel where ya da. Okay, feel where ya da ro we bo. Inye pe very street. Onu ya je shot ni kaya lo be ye cash no ma be asa yi fo cash no ye mukun e cash aga no mukun. E ya ro. Waga wa sin iwa apin you gwa na pen wa dan le nu wa ba di na egbo wa do we didn't do it wa shut up because I have shut up for years. I kept mute. I kept silent. People thought I was a coward. No, I wasn't. Some even call me weakling. I am not. No me. No me. Mama dama talk beji. No me go manabuhi. Me go man the Monica Tito Bokbam. There you go no ya honku. But this time I don't care. Me too. I will still have my own yoko. Yes. Oh, what we told. Ye bue. When you gossip in one of your favorite blogger. When you hold that for you, what they were. You will say on a hold on your worry. I love that woman so much. But I never can tell. No promise yet. Because oh my God, they negatively, that woman has never blocked me. Udo oni, ege gbo ke si gomoda. Okay, ba no do aninyo Ori ninyo mama. Ware wa, ba me ho. Awa. Na ya pe wa ho arun afwa. Iwa ho ege ape no fo. Ogbera no wari eneni, mami rani. Finiti e ni. Oni no. Omo e come abe afone. Oga di gwe pagbe. Ari yoko. Uma ni go no ruwe moto we ni. Uya gume gwani agwa be yo wa. Mana ruwe. The battle line is strong. Won pe nu ke gwalo no ya cover up gbe no maneli gbe me tamu we na. I will go and beg my maneli to join me in this battle because obo won pa gba I will beg Enogi, I will beg Frank, I will meet my EJ Kunita Dr. Kunita, no boomeri. Wari yohoi. I will forward the way ni ya mewe. Ito awe sin boss ni ya vun. We no. Uhime no. We nu do sin pa o na. Teti ya we afin e we mu e ho ma le icho. Nu gian. You never see I was saba every year. Nu do tie. Nugume akpolo wo kon ni e kan sa indo ka me we no hugi no o wo kan da fun edo. Our shower husbands. no panoro no ya gbo wa kan wa idolo wa ina wo kan ma na hen wo iya gbo egbe to ari agbon no ya dopolo lo veti oye money carry over àwọn àjàlá rori ebisi àjàlá no je nedala passport ya si moko agbo ya si moko leri egba ogwe usa oda for where is ne owe na ebisi hian oh baba you dey come me I don't know ya put am for silent yan aye ko ni we ho oda for where is si moko ne do da for where ma je passport si moroko wa we no mure wa be enemy sleep no ruwe passport eni wo ejo Nigeria Netherlands wo ya travel jo before and after wo ya jo no ya la UK na no mapa o ma ko we UK na no we van bo bóyá do wa ya ye ra ere no we bo pin ba we pari UK o da fún we pa we na we nyenye se o dogun hin di nene o we ga fie ge mwe ma ye le keke mama Nelly see na o na compare with our way you see yin ni me ja no mo nwe o yes you have ja no mo nwe ni igi we fie ge mi han oni wa na le gba na ye ko gbukun ya kara mama pa e ka we gbukun ya kara we no ta ma we se iwe mami ekun ma gbegbe akara asawoda chawo kobo chawo ni yeje ore mi my brother my friend baba imo ye speaker ade baba imo yo
Very could be me ware like 4 hours from my city.
Yeah,
women. Yeah,
we may so one.
Only team we club where odo to dinner where you was on away. And that will me lao, me lao to me. Ya want no question if I know
Wakiao.
Isaga or we yaka.
No give we messy. Even if say na saga me ati gbe mi ana.
Okay. That is one. Then two. We think Saga love him naturally.
He love you there. He love you there. Yeah, get laugh kaka o ti bully me. Oh God, the wo baba wa laugh when they go on baba. Oh ring Baba, well, why that wa go is your party. We why we baba. A solo Infinity Saga, if only solo Infinity Saga, no. Solo is a different person. Solo is just a normal person. Yes. Well, why? Where he love you there. He participated in your marriage. He love you. Well, all fake akati. Well, all fake akati. Ni aya gbi me wa we. We believe. Oga he love for wa we. Oh, well, we fake akati. Oh, ya gbi me for. But he go tell you. Oh, one no wa fion re.
The third question or near ka boss you bro ye ke run the moment. Uwe Asaboro. Woman next guy. Ukeneli good.
Ogwe mama. Ogwe ne.
Allegedly.
Ogwe mama. Uwe mama. Mama say me. Why ya wa tefe kaka iya egbe. Mama Nelly re manana itowe. Iya egbe. So mama he ti gbe me lue. But this is the truth. For the confirmation Ogwe mama. Ogwe mama Nelly ija o da wa gbo na time. Ogwe mama Nelly okagwe mama Nelly ne ija meka awon epe ope bet emi no idojin do ta we damio gume explain e ma we emi no dojin kan mama Nelly we I forgive mama Nelly mama Nelly said the egie mama Nelly na je one wicked no bana ya vaegie na we fam oja uga izu ofone ula go mana lawa you go collect I want to leave Facebook. People will take care of my Facebook. They will not be doing this. They will be doing that. I forgive Mama Nelly. Well, I forgive Epa.
This is an apology in disguise of forgiveness.
Misplaced apology. Misplaced apology. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Ena. Mama Nelly rema ore life when me go. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Why they go see me Yahweh? E go see me Yahweh. E go see me Yahweh. Ogwe Mama Nelly. Mama Nelly gbe for tegu. No te ọmọ no akwa wo wa. Bọ́ọ̀lù yi ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ à ọmọ náà jẹ́ lì possession bíi tamọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ ṣíṣì gbé e egbèrè wọ inú mi wá káwọ́ sàgbọ̀n káwọ́ sẹ́yìn òkú ọ̀pá yóò pa mú ìdámọ̀ gógó. Ẹ̀nà ìwé sẹ́mi ya uwo uwa mu ẹ̀. Ababa mu àti gbẹ̀rẹ̀ yóò mú dáná uma baba ọ̀rẹ́ náà ìyá ilé akẹ́ prove evidence we can't be honest. Ìyá ilé akẹ́ prove evidence.
This is the year of shame and disgrace for her.
He go collect. Ọ̀rọ̀ what's the error?
No. Apology.
Atamo ya ma egbe just dey play wa aku wa. Daze yan baba we amie wa o pe wa awa daze wa. Ya egbe just dey play for them. Okwo ma sun we dero onaru le kitikiti oya gwale Mama Nelly that one I go keep that one for you. Oya gwale mi so gbe ya zio boyo Mama Nelly aye bo gbu e wen yen mo bo ze do nori ye iye dozi obi do operation iye onisa we ni me na meje ni ase de me ato ime almost to gbe atuari no ye do polo na we na atuari agbon na we yan atuari gaga lowo pe no ye passport ya si Morocco owo won le Morocco Genesis 11 ina ya ne Mama Jasper keke Mama Jackson Genesis 11 ari low Genesis 11 ari low Genesis 11 ari low Exodus 14. Eyan gireva Mommy no don't do any nyashi Mommy Nelly which kind nyashi wan do Ora anwe dai unamwe le slimity na enwi na wi na upono bo gwa re upone mi no kwa sunu olagun agbon e bi bigin enwe juice plus ero ya o ke wa pa we ni ma to gun ya re ko e prefu ero ya there's a big edin asiko ko baba gaga baba gin the two unite but o make no ko li here o ma he ikiro kiyon ma emi ya woman abroad un kana
Saboro oga control infinity saga
o ma control Damio, o ma Damio no ge your tan no ta ugun no igun no ta direct when me malaki direct in afa we o ma control ni ezora ro ope na ke fun ewuwo bo ne ya dire are you getting it Infinity love you naturally Infinity just like you like when they say person they love person Damio gumegua wa gumegua oh you no go understand Damio all of them way they say apart from few all of them get they get their real account they follow you normally naturally so the ones who just still like you for who you be just still they play I don't feel disclose that one. I don't disclose people's identity. It does not make me to be a professional person. so already a marriage where o kwona labo o kwo amame keri out for it. Nobody said na me spare. I dey tell you, believe me. The rest will be for WhatsApp. Forget, believe me.
Okay,
why invite when I invite on Baba o what when I invite on why is that Kakabo I know the show where the hour about where.
Did you want your way, my sister? Can you imagine?
Honestly, no, he's a lovely soul. If it's not that I'm gonna ask for Nelly. He's a nice person. Every day maybe where he's a nice person. I'm telling you, ask Mama Nelly. Ask Mama Nelly. No, that one I better die. That one I better die. Uma belele. Ebe ni ebe request koka ya de ne amajala no gunyo ije ki ne ki e mo wa ije ki lo gba yoko wa na gbe pot jo na bo gwaji yoko wa udiji atu ya udiji bo ko dere ri ga go re no ko na go yan le kun re mi iyen no wo ga eyo ka sule la dia the family of the ona atore we me na ro we mo egbeni. If you don't know them, how you tell no where on the talk to me soon you need no one.
Because men were can't know.
Go and ask people that are close to me. How you can't know?
I can't know.
Oh, you came up by you when ever know it was the eye.
Asaboro Eddie video.
You can't win have blogger no data Latin Magagiane. Avatala bloggers. Avatala. Go ahead. Down here, Mommy Nanny Black. Mommy Nanny Black, Infinity is a very nice person, but Monica, they manipulate him. He's so nice. Uma, he's a nice person. I'm at the boy marriage. I don't get my wife bad day. My wife bad day. Il me marie à Zin, il me goin, il te va ça.
I want to confess. As a presenter, I have to be a confession. You understand?
Ya kwemi ya yo hu o mana baba. Ya kwemi ya Infinity saga hu no mu hu kwani. Mommy Lily Black gumensi ye ihe ni because many menche. I love her. Yes. I know now I fit 10 million people. For now he heard fi say hey this one go kill me. Then na this one na dey see o. Na dey say Mommy Nelly ga tori la wa kofa me. Me tori. Atuari makwe. Atuari agbon makwe. Oda fun ere o le Morocco. Otio samuji no bion. No je Holland passport ya si gbo. That's why we no ga go ni Madame Juliet. Oh well, I said she know too much. She see too much. See the real talk. Who the true talk? Oh, we want wa ya is wa. Wa me no wa kwalo. Me say anu wa imi ade baje wo ko se gbo e ma mi no sunu. Egbo e ma mi no sunu dai wa yu gogu he gbe wa. Wa gbe wa. Mommy let her come on finish because that my husband. Ije Dr. Quirita la ho ya le yin awe. But gumeka hon ko na fone. All of us are guilty. You understand? Everybody get fake account where you love them. But now why in awe ji ori baba je. Ege ni ma se wa. Me se wa ege dia serio. My husband no free o. He no free o. But now lao. VIP queen egbere to wa here. If I cannot see you now at the moment where I go, you know ya know you go me view na to ari agbon woto. Eyan pa gwa agbon a. Ona gele bully option e WhatsApp owo ogene wa pion e. E wa pion e. Yo toge, yan ri toge. Egi yan kun e, yan akuke. Ya wa lega we. We no ya gbon yan kan. Jo ajosan yon. Yan manyama. Nina ge nwiwo bet wugi ya ni eni ya ro ni ya bu over 300 people no ware DPC ni But inside GPC, another GPC day. Uwe anamiare baba na papa. No that female na why baba egbe Finity Saga. Ukbone e mama re pon an eri. Mono do comment your emi. You are in problem. Who born you to comment for our enemy? I never even know she declared me as an enemy because I was a threat. Yeah, boy, I give Mama Felicia do Mama where watch it me like we. No tell me what be. It's okay like that. You see we down. But ara vene we gidigbo no. Oto are no be omo le gba yidu. Eyin mama to ade akin aye mi mazere. Ope no ke gbosa iye ni aza billion we seje obokan. No ke gbe o me gbalazi ya kan ma to ade obi o kakere ogbon ogun awon odo. Nyewebo Exodus 14:14. Yes. Okoni no wu de nuwa enegba wu. Hey, hello. Yes, no wuni nuwe do a package wa na do a direct ita ma ta fu. Wo gbe wa jo wa ya wu. Wo mu wa se ba, mo bere na yun se fa ye mu wa. Twa ya gbon. Twa ya gbon. Awon le moko. O ti o Samuji no de. Obi o mo Samuji. Hello. Oh, the only woman in those have space not that for a year Netherlands passport yasi Morocco. Ekwe mue wa iladin. The legend asked me. When a mama name black ages could say, "Abi finity rino." Oh no, if you know nuriu, nuriok madike makosi ewagbo. All those jealousy where all the work where infinity work for you, but they give that the jobless husband the accolade. Agboya got that for him when idiot nene engineer. Ebis oti ebis we moko oti ebis we moko o wa ti ro ni ege lebis ru won henu yenoro etin aya we ya ekaki iko ni ke ga hewe ivere akinwi na re iya mu no ma wa sin yen ilawa dia yen gba mesa mu de venuvie toari do ta mi ya evenuvie do tamia do te venuvie wo wa meya awo ya vekero balatia awo se vi ya le ile gboa awo se no emi meta mufua ai muwe na titi kai wo pe agwa lori ni wa tosi ni we dan omo ame no ma orí baba ogbon wa yese dan betrayal of the highest order. They want people to be like walk back 2019. Una mokpare, una nyarewa. Ugetu wina nokba. 2025 under the range of 6 years. A hungry lion. Uwe give you no giri wati wo wa mwini vezo. No riri wati wo wa mwini vezo. Agmoya zuwo we nuzu. Agmoya ko bibi. Agmoya ko bibi. Wa uwa si kokobe to wa adu areki. Lulu prison oro no we wa hate me yen lapage me re for na cause ya gbu egbe uhewe le ro ya gbu egbe have a useless set of people wa be go koko wa ati ororo wa be foul wa we foul play no le to wa o wa bun osuno bun network yan o wa bun so pon da fun me so pon we omo yan ti on ko no re Canada so pon man le black no pa awore na Mama Felicia ki egeti nu pa gewo pa owe we se no teme no ko so pon Mama Felicia bet na ki pa nenia ule ni ke ya kekeri pe ere ni ruwe ya tun wa ni ke ya fu wa ya zu o wa gboloko wa wuji so pé mama ni black no e pa body so pé mama British so pa e mama I don't rest I don't forgive you but next time if you hear my mouth first dey relax first iru ribeto iru we Monica nia iru ro eto oro we oro onisan o ga give ya asomi Ni well say mama so ya ni edeje ba ni edero ni edere ya ume ya go ma fi yo ni ede ni masika gechi ni edere gechi ya bubu awon wa da ogo zole kun ya ọmọ kan we kan wa ga infinity ya wa na gi ye mi o elo no ya gogo sota wa se eme ni ma ro obodo an ni gbe ohima wa wu wa se ya kiyen ko wa gele su wa ya tan. Hello darling ide we bayan ini o wa hello ide we bayan ini e wa nyo wa ya. If that one will make your sense to come back, I will do it free of charge. Don't pay may not be like she where you dey pay. Oji wa me we give away star wa me we give away star what you call that star we na ya tie bo ni jo won koko nu ma de na vi ogwe wa me no vi ogwe agbon vi ogwe dan. If you are work, if you have credit in the UK, you can carry credit. Everybody is living on Igbese in this country. Eni na wa yin ene frank wa talk enu riri aje eki anya gwa lo ni eni ya wa no owa poto ipoto eni ya no we gallant peaceful commenter awoji ojekia sugar daddy ni bi aka re to ya re ni oge no wa en bezole here. Anyway, if you mind your business to Egbeme, everybody go there at peace. But if you say no, I tell you, now me be that woman where they father your father. Yes, small but mighty. Asaboro ne gun ehin. Asaboro no gear, Asaboro no se one. That little Asaboro of 4 years, 5 years ago, you have oppressed. That little Asaboro, you have brainwashed people against. That little Asaboro, I have come back as a full-grown woman to come and take what rightful belongs to me. You can't have two men. Mama, possible. The rest can leave theirs for you. You see that noble man in your cage? Hell no. A get in ya fearing job. At one. A get in ya fearing job. In the hell, that's where. No, he kill no ya me. What the baby has swearing your way. Only my kind. Only my kind. Don't tell me ya. Mama Nelly, why ye pion kere? Ye pion kere. Wo ko eti pion say. Ye bo pion ko say ho. Me I believe where ido ye daughter me. I no make no understand. You make no understand. Say nobody will ever oppress me again. Never. Never. She has oppressed me for years, for so long. Ezo so, but honor you here, boo. An infinity saga, just for that one to believe, oh, this is who she is. She's a bad person. Sabore don't fake abroad before me. Eh, do one webo. Nuri yoko. Kime ko waka se webo that they need like webo. Yes. We be on 18 years in. Minu ma hagbese. Amare janwe. Na jene madam we alati. Igbinalize enyo. E madam we oladi. No do tini go nu balance. Ukelele kia. Achawo ekia ekia no me red light. Bale be ene be aye funa. Me maru de be wo me. Do you ever love Ole Morocco? Do you ever in your life love the Ole Morocco? Wa zuwa. Pa pe na mu gwenu ya mu ebo ugegbe. Uya mu Ole Morocco ne go cho samuji no jono ye passport Netherlands passport ya si Morocco ne. Wa do agun egun ani ya wana. The only good thing out of that thing is your children. Finish. Every other thing is useless as you are. Every other thing is useless as you are. You are the most useless woman in a cyberspace I've ever seen in my entire life. That live and feed on people's sweat. Professional beggar. Corporate beggar. Abi ewe. Oma we ogwe megun abuto. Twari. Oma we ogwe megun abuto. Abi ewe. Awa be you awa pun won. Agberi eke gbero kiye. Iwa ya go yan rupa ogwe wa gbe koko ma odi eke. They jealous you. awe to tamagbon demi na mu gwenu ya mu ebu wi ya mu tewe mi gwe de follow divia na mu nwe nu ya pa asylum re wi ya mu upe red light bo pa gwa agun azua ko na fe bo to na ri asylum agi mu follow divia no 10 days to leave the country wi ya mu we red light oh ya de kun obi enene nu mu agbon ria e na dun e agwe nu ga hology. Fine, those children are beautiful. Me toge. Uwe ya ekoma yevero. You know what? Abiari osun. Tota. Uma eta de. Uma eta de. Uga kugwe. Uga kugwe. Wokpa perfect. Wokpa dog we na le tawe. Ole mo ko ba we wa. Wa le ta. Dog we ta wole mo ko mu we ke Nigeria wa le time ave e gullible no ke ene de gba na ni ke ni ro although they all know you are lying they just want to cover up your shame and disgrace ni babo ela we gbe wa da iya dada ma na si babo we gbe mo mi le black la oje le meba mo koko oku ai be phone wa we we ma no problem eru mi ase media because o ha mo pa ti kon kwa to ari tanu we no vada we gi yen gba Asaboro ma gbonu ye ni we wo ye kan we kan Asaboro iri ye yo to o le mo ke 50 pound every day o wa vo mo gwe o ko no rizire mo ro ke dede gberi yo 50 pound o hono we 20 pound wa we in a month is 600 and this same useless man you go boy ladan you want me to marry a useless man as you are need to wo we gbo kan who dare you we bo again in Nigeria how dare you oh wo was zero no to zero no emi no zero ba nene be o ma le o ma la kwe eri emi license ku ka ariye provisional driver's license uke ya we di me one u te won ta meya 62 pound o ka ya ariye provisional driver's license wo UK ibere ere ma Juliet we go we UK Lady Juliet no re TikTok opportunity I why only so pe she's a carer mandatory training on me just like me I have all my mandatory trainings there nika ya jo ebere ga ni agiri your women and working permit I still have to go again mandatory training was for 1 day or 2 e from amu get no fee I mean no that one e ti wo obewe dan obewe na lize mo ro ko igbeye gbera video na gaga get total no me ya ta manika ngowu abi atiko ni mo do o we are married for many years. Will you get inside with your shame and disgrace? Will you get inside? When a mama head your ultimatum na we pick. We ye pe lawa me no la o ti kun. E to na we ti amu me iwe ya gba me san we de gbe ya de. I me hi rena. Me wa rena. Iwa re nu e gbigbi. Gbigbi. Akwebu glory ade. Ele ba ene ko si ye ti ruju wa we ni ele ya le lai don pa be ta enu we finity ta ga we nu we go for bit ba ni baba na la we gbe enu we ga ma wa mi re gbe enu we ma ma baba la we gbe wa ju je mu we na we ge daji a lo de nu ile a shakwa gba shakwa yin we me no uhime odo adara na so we mu go ne we ne human sympathy breaking news update hey one single presenter wey dey shake breast yo itoto don ball at yo e ya ga gwo re oga ya nyenyi wiere ide do block hu we ba e wa vai gbe o don gba be Muri yoko a grace no me disgrace. Why why swear egbera dia. Why nyewo okpa ni. Te gbegbe mi ma. Me block we ya like. A grace no me disgrace. I will send you why I block you where ya no blocking me. But me no so. Ora gwa le blogger no ka mwe. Ora gwa le blogger no ka mwe o he la dia. Ora gwa lo ziegbe. Mama leli mugu weni we ka yo ni ro ni. Onyo igbon wa se. Oyo ma to ka ma we do no awu. Okay, dog Canada or we go no to akin awu we gonna drill you. That's the difference between an educated person and a lunatic. Gonna drill you bit by bit, and you're gonna feel it. Yeah. When we go and tax your stars, one way you don't. When we see a man, any ye bon wa seven. Any ye wa seven you are. Yeah. Ode gbere. Distraction of boo. No depression or worry at where your boost or whoever. Where yeah, at where you want to go do we weak. Amana muk more hegia. Amana muk more hegia at where. Emi at where. You go get by. You get the richest woman. You go get by me amoge. No mugo go la bidun kia. Ah, wa be you wa pa gwa. Actually, I want to get shot up. But where me face me the couple word. You know water. Where me work me get ya. Merci keba. Abu me ni me register. Iro. Imajo de. Awa moro. Bet me majo. Abu mo mo vio kwanyo tori wari ba. Abu mo le agi wai. I dare you. Awa be you. Uzo. Uri okwo. No ke ni me go wodo si na ma. Boy. Akpe egun. A record egun. Di me esu nu ye ni guilty conscience na law we here. Okay, wa me no gbe post owa lele ya here. Na we aso to say cause e mo ka bruce nya olunga ni gbe ni is kon ko isi.
Una say Asaboro, did she mention my name? Because she they say she writes say me a waya boy jagbe wetin you want one enter so. I bet you know where they get you know say Asaboro gets so many jagbe. I mean, you know, yeah, wait, talk, say, get sister in law, mama, and no, you're married. I mean, you know, yeah, wait, talk, say, I know whosoever the friend, and wait, say, I don't know the person one day. I beg you, if not that one, now, Asaboro, a boy, no man set in Nigeria, no, yeah, like, but Asaboro, na if I come abroad before.
Be many. Oh, here I down a boy, a boy, panya, USA. Ebo when you observe you mama ebo na ma isa mejide ebo no igbi ara ne ebo no ye mini observe you we na wa hen ni o ma we na wa hen ni o wa ma and ebo when amugbo aso amugbo afan amugbo wa ye yore iga gele me ni we then infinity saga unye me ba o lo ife infinity saga unye me ba awoga agban we ni no see awona agbanu gbe ni menasaboro ni emi no see atwari ni emi no see no ikan we no do ta wa gage post gani we wa hia o oda fun e mo bo no re o ti o samoye no dun no ye Holland passport ya siburuko no gage agie oni wina department o re wa ni kotan ni wa jere e fo page re iye pie yo kaseba. Imagine Holland passport on abuse. Why I go with passport? Why get this stamp, you know? Why get do make no travel you with that boy? The only business you know we manage you only have we shakona be fair. If you wa fairly or don't know what fairly ni ya or when you are on. No man want do e dia moja. O what do we Jenny? If when you know what do ya eh ya. Boy anyway go we move for him. No ga we ba. Iyo ko mama ga na ogbo. Ade mo ko yo iwe ba. You go mo ko no see you iwe we ahin ile wa bo awagbo. Gumemi e oto o me lo ko wujiku. Gumemi oto e kan wa mi esusu gwale ma gbe wetere. We wa re ya tale mi bai.
Asaboro don't come abroad, don't friend Charlie boy, friend Versace.
Versace o go ga gbo e ki anu ma ga mi ewunu we. We nya no we me ya. Won so akale ni ya. E ge o mu me ne yaria because onu provoke any water wa ironu do tudo mi ekwe na yego wa we uweno beni ya wuka uweno ewewe uho bi eneno mawe to asajo ne bono re we ne siso ne me ti kaka ro ye ba re 100 pound re ge wu ki o bi ere kero ibe ri o bi ko ese uho te boy no tu agboa ni azefa alu egbe di dugu ere wu baba ni azefa alu egbe fa refa ifana mutien nka ka vasashi umi enwo re enwo go gboa abunwoge iga arogo do na ina ga na anya no we me anybody ina we show me ba hell ologo na yes no me hu ilele my people that was 2011 to 14 right to ponere istame we that was that year 11 to 14 11 to 13 you had the no tell me we have to be sure my people irige many meje ifie oke gbo kan de iwata won da do oteme boban da do ino ya ire e ugwe mi ame se lo ba no ogun emu so ebe ni o ibia yeva imawe mani we re warun kwala o maeta da do ge no ya ire we understand my people ni aveta imale go ni kane e de gbe yata but amebore wa he just like me naturally as a smallie nuga le mugo go kana we eri obi egun biene egun biene okuno bi anyway only makane that's not my problem actually it's my issue now are you getting it let me just clear this little space for everybody what is unu o biane ere na gbon ya pa gbe wo we ya jinwina we na je na go le moko e na nwina o wa bi na we abi eyo ni kwo ni gido aso na wo be we no ni kwo ni gido agona ye ere nponopa mota o bia no ma tin eri 20 naira no de eti ri go me wo ya me ya bi ko na mu area ya ga le tone me I was not in Italy then already in Belgium I left Italy 2009 wa get in Itana he get o bia gba jimu na we so right me what they very observant or say ajala or wa see one infinity ho always she not too much she's too wise her eyes is too wide e wa ta yo ho or wa afie gogo yo ho and it's truth but I know good things not bad things yes one minute Itana so again he setting mo pa tin mu dan mo gogo eni bun highway gbo igo ni azeyo they no want me waste omo e be lare e so ga mu hia imaka yo ni ka won wa dan yan e ni yan setting uno e dede gbe ata amawe mo pa ti kokomo take it or leave it I don't have that strength iga awene they no je beri mese before iya bie ya mi be iwa ye bo me gbasana adobo me we na gbe wo ekebun ni gola I hope you zero mena hey no don't get it wrong gbeme zero mena but won ma gbin awon ade ekeni go me la ihun be upo bo ebere no sunu gbi me go we webo kekere business here no gbe me go nike ere ya e ko ve ofo and the guy webo efo is just for you to be okay ebe aro o mi guy webo me ma je no dey pass Holland passport yi me ke no yajo o ya si Morocco fo o ye leaflet no ruwe ya si Morocco fo inwina ajo o kan le won meji ni moto o we swallow kekekekekeke de no we ten mu ba o we fi ele ga idun o we de gbe ri pack me gbon averi o no ya mo atikuti I wouldn't do it ekonobo me say e gbe wi yekene o ma ti so amen fi me I do it when I want to do it. So who are you to come and lie on me? How where? Yeah, I can say we book away, and even if at that, Even if at that, Nimekaya saying where you are respecting me. The experience I have gathered before you came, is it not enough for you to respect me? Only must say, oh yeah, book be oya won pa ba mi finity saga. You can say and when you no see. Me na so be ani enu we, nu wa mo agbon ria, ni emi no see. I don't I will go down on my knees, here in your tune no hope. Here in Canada. Ni ado wall obije you body. Because woman ye, woman I was saying, you are very, very ungrateful. You are an ungrateful human being. You don't have human feelings at all. You don't feel for your people. You are a useless shepherd. A shepherd who don't know the worth and value of our flocks. Okay, you don't care. You just want them to move to your direction as far as it suits you. As far as it suits you, you want them to move to your direction. How dare you? How dare you? Okay, why? Wa muno de managwa. De ati o men okpanu ne. Imo ni pe bra, wa ge record anything. Wa say no pin boto. Bloggers say have face street. Ugume do ya moe black and blue. With proof and evidence, when you wa ya gbe. Ya infinity. Kwe baba afa. We kan ke do agbon ari ana o me no sunu. Ya no eni to bi emi e. How we? Paul say wa ya make you do. Sister, I forgive you anyway, honey, for in a way, what you make you do that here? Cause that area gonna be a wire, one million good one, you are pay, here, talo pay, atalo here, pay, atalo here. When no talent, when I cocoa bono casse, when I love one when I do too small. You're too small. I want to keep you quiet. You people should respect that father. This person can talk, but you know what? She just don't want to talk. She just don't want to talk. By acting distracting me, they come to wire shaking more better. Na regiona, ebi ya fi weri. Na regiona, ebi ya. It don't help mama Nelly because why ebo ragbe. O why ya how? Usun ibi ki o carry ibi ki o sabi ibi uselu, ile uselu clinic. Ebe do why ire azwa a bipolar leader that lead depressed people. Why depressed is a cyberspace? Is there anything good out of Nini? Nothing good comes out of you people than evil manipulations. Baga gage pishere, baga fear when Wala na do atie bo we there okay. Ye mo bo we page amen na. Owo ye ni we brother na. O ni e wa ron pa mi. Wala da do atie bo mu gbegbe ijere prayer warrior ge bet na ki na asa me ne ya so wunu. Amagele amopowo. Amo e page. Asende liki ge. O ina yo bo pin liki. Osunu. We ya fo ya do afu. No even ye pa we vieni ya sun. Oja sha vieni recruit we bet. You see that my own way things. Olorun baje. You must leave him and let him go. Yes, you see that quote. O wa ya tobo wa zare otini. O wa ya take. O wa tobo wa. You guys are going to scatter everything. Everybody, last, all of us go get peace. Yes, all of us go get freedom of liberty. We can comment and they can call email. No, not fair home you. They can comment anywhere. They can talk who they want to talk to. Everybody will be free. They will live normal life and start a new life. Iwe mwahia magyoye de bi ebamu. What woman na bi okpa ga ne buwe manare. Wo bi owe no dun ebere ni e o. E ona le nupo give aba ni yan kai. Ne be yare. Ono bi okpa to amuja ne bere. Eto amudia ne bere e o. You mione una ve pa una ya that voice una do akame we comfortable se word ya me we inwinige government magwen yawo wa idene wa kama udwa wa ikoketini wa ikokene wa udo ladian with full energy with full confidence udo ya tori o mai ma ewe ma gba we awa okay it's all right we ten pa ta nja gba we fo I ten da pe pardon me ewe fa wa no we congratulations ga dere if I marry ma woni san ma zi oni san no ne fa na ire na you want to do the people say they will pay for wait. What did they want to put? You want to go do nyash? Umewe nyash unyanwela biduria. We nyashi wo. E Brazil e Mexico na ya gbigbi agia. Ashawodo kobo. Yawe. Osewewe. Ebi ati oku na more ewe ono si ke mai wa re island. We no build the talking ma. Ale we kun aye credit card we o do cash no. Won e wa wo ya fa gbo aroto. O mugie kun hospital wa ya do gwo we ba hospital wa ya do gbu e aga mi eyan kan awe e no owo ni sanu eba o wo kan kun o mi an e ge mi ana ti ejin yen gbe o ni san ero you free of charge alele we no se we ge obama mi wa ri ge na mi gege we no ri wa ri turkey awe kun ba kasha kare no to god dunyash pononge obore eruwe million we mu gi mageru ama sege no ya bia na we prefu no then you take him mawazu oberio him mawazu oseverio oni sawe ni makoe e toothpick you e aya su yo toothpick aya su oh god Asaboro be serious e toothpick aya su fu yo oni sa e we anya be okon lebi ko e fe kwada ko ize yen be wewo brother man no don't please don't akedo yin awe veteri for me wo wa I was willing to come out and just do the video once and for all. May I beg you, but thank you very much for accepting apologies, listening to people that settle you guys. Thank you, Baba. Wesi. Oh boy, man, Robert 2% of error. He brought the idea, yes, but not be infinity. Carry your pitch, not be infinity. Believe me, anything where I tell you this night, anything where I tell you, believe me. Not be infinity so I can carry your pay, but he get out from inside. Yes, me know the lie. Musaloba me now mere for me. He only brought that idea. He only suggested. Now they go do and finish. Carry fake account. Station you leak. You don't know. You will leak it. No happen. So your page they disappear. But I thank you when you embrace peace. God will bless you. I thank you when you embrace peace. God will bless you. Where? They feel me. Who friend person? Friend this one. If you not good for your body, you quit. It better pass say you can't go hide under one man canopy. You can't date there. They open your leg for other married men. You they mad? Do you know the abomination? Do you know? You they mad? Not only one person you don't friend for this abroad. Abroad where you don't for spend. Now only one person you not virgin to the grace. Do you know the atrocity of Atuari? Do you know? I wouldn't blame you. You don't know the sacrilege she has done. She has committed as a wife, not just as a single mother or a gay. As a wife, you don't know. Mommy Oshodi, you are Tojemenogi. Come on, Maregwe. You don't know what she has committed. You don't know the gravity of her offense. That's why you have to stand and be talking trash on my comment section. I will block your head. After all, she blocked people for years. You don't set now. You go open now. If you say you forgive person who never requested for your forgiveness, why did you block him? What did they pursue you? See, so I receive Mama Nelly for your back. See. Mama Nelly no ga adazoba adazeo. Lao See infinity me on your bad don't know why man or you know when you care my can see infinity me man zori man definitely ori kinye ko wi je the former not measure their name for them. Yes, go see them for outside though. Hello. Amanelli, make she the phone her. I don't measure their name after all. Make the boss say no, she has secrets. She can keep secrets. She will not say it even if she's dying. Wait. I be when man. Our secret you now keep is dirty. That's why you are keeping it. If you dare keep secrets so much, why didn't you keep that of others who were not in your GPC? Why didn't you keep the secret of others? Who was not there with you guys? Why? Why did you blow the trumpet? Why? Because they never participated in your atrocity. They never took place in your devilish practice. They were never a part of it. But you see una. That secret now we be sent in yosa maaguwa avoid me una get freedom. Me will liberate una. Make una get permanent peace of mind. We have to help you guys to take away depression, take away loneliness, and be normal. So for now, I urge you, I dare you, don't ever mention my name again. But if you must do it with respect. Accord me with respect. For the fact that we can't say we do or do well, so respect me for that. Okay? Who respect me for that? For the fact I have seen your dirty lineage, you respect me for that. Because if it was to be you, as we speak, with Belay and a black patient, or more a telegram, respect yourself. Just respect yourself and get inside. Inside the mago. Why you blacket gwegbe wa yime ye yime gwegbe wa so gbu wa vie gbe wa agbosu mesegbe wa ari akon ngari ebisi iba iwa ngwa nene obi egbe wa owo le mo oko otun samuji no di for the fact that your husband have never traveled out of UK ever since you guys came passport holder because oya is in Morocco for it. Now we after where Gloria. Lerun EVS, if not, I will come for you tomorrow. Lerun EVS. Rubbish. I read this your comment VIP queen. A classic Gloria. Mo be here. A UK no. Try na wa he o. Na wa ku de wa me owe moto ni. All tún Samoyi no dun re no ye passport is Morocco. Ara se luggage le here. Ona we to mi go mure. No mi go mure o ti on yo si an egbe ni. No mi go mure o si ajalara mo e. Ye ki no wa joko wa. Unu iwa ya be o ya be shading of your pot yi yoko wa. We mo sto. E de le ri we wa mo sto. Ma ne mi o. Agara o he wa we yan mi yan wa we mu mi o pare. Agani an fi ojo na ni an. Stop studio. Stop. Raise wo ya de ide ma digital ni aya pe re. Nu wa ya de ma digital wa. Di won nu wa e so. Ona e pa si Morocco no sun we. O wa bubu pe go de yan bisi. Bo le bisi. Nyaun. Gele le bisi. To no ma ri so mo he nyaun. Ona he oyere my people in that one too long. I frustrate on it. I want settle down frustrate on it. Okoni wa ma kinari an kinakede. Buede buoni de we no leru university. Baba don priest. Let me check your comment. Asaboro don strong for saga. Imagine not let anybody sleep. You think they told my belly outside that? Oh man, I'm not leave for that one and go sleep. It's very painful. Very, very painful. Like seriously? Like seriously? You don't insult me since 2021, since this guy, this man, just say, you say, I have feelings for this person. Where did they make it? Because if woman near it go sex. Ove ala wagbe. Ove ni ma yerena. Uwa tu. Awa shi wowo ashi wewe. Nene ni we kia ya gwale. Eke ya gene gwale my brother. Ale koku baron. Where I get one bashawo with arrow. When I go where with pants, ordinary 5 million naira. With naira, very locality. You know, I go you know. Locality okbo miliki. The highest order. Very dirty okbo. Under your marital house. Adobome word that fenonya wa. Iwa hewe wa won't benu woge mama neli na umating because you couldn't break it. Pishoga lobawela de hozebe okware agbenike alewe yi e kona wona no no anima we worry we babu mi ade tikere gumi swemi we pa wenu muku ani ku we oda for no ma 60 kg gumi swa no de go azu agmoya we be odo wa lucky we umeria amyo bia no we wo ko no wu no muku amoye ske 60 kg ari yoko me na mu bia yeske ai na la wo cut t-shirt see your body like ina okay ihone am a full grown adult I'm say 60 kg no wa see mo ko go lega manika or why fe o ma fe ge no fe o ge no je ko pa ma die ya o no ite vanu iwa ni ke aka on la video o yi mo iko ya igba me sa ni mu ye we ni mi e ki a de wa fi e o video o ga so ge o wa ri e yore o wa kan ya ri e o wi moto o we butu o we school